Hi, everyone, and thank you for watching the Ash to Cash podcast radio show. My name is James Housego, and I have made a lot of stupid choices in my life, and I have done a lot of financially dumb things in my life. Trust and believe it. But I am here today to prove that it is possible, with hard work and dedication, to actually dig yourself up out of that pit and live a life of, I don't want to say ease. It's not a life of ease, but comfortable and not having to worry about where your paycheck's going to come from. Life's like this, and this is what my dad didn't get. My dad didn't understand that when life throws you a curveball or gives you a block, say the life gives you a roadblock, right? Okay, and you work your way, you work and work hard at getting around this roadblock, just to find another roadblock, but worse, more hard, more difficult. Now, my dad just could not wrap his mind around that. And he got frustrated and upset, and he just didn't know how to handle it. But I've come to learn that no matter what challenges we face in life, there's always a way around it, through it, under it, or over it. It doesn't matter. We may lay there for a while and sit in front of that wall and refuse to do anything, but eventually we get up and we try again, or I hope that's the case. I myself personally got tired of laying in front of that wall, holding up my white flag, and I wrapped my mind around the concept that no matter what happens in life, there's always another challenge to meet me on the other side of the challenge I'm currently facing. And when you can wrap your mind around that, you're gonna go places, you're gonna do things, because you're already gonna know what to expect. You know what I mean? And that's what makes us stronger, and that's what gives us the drive to do things. And I was just tired of laying down in front of a wall. So I hope that through this journey you come on with me, because I'm going to have a lot of videos that are going to be posting, and it's going to kind of be a documentary of going from ash to cash, hopefully. And when I say ash to cash, I mean I'm going from the financial stupidity and bad choices and the hole that I dug for myself in that, to good credit, being able to buy homes and do real estate, which is really what I want to do. Boy, I got a nice little surprise for you guys too. I got a surprise coming up. You stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and hit that like button, because I'm telling you right now, I got a surprise for you. You're gonna love it, and I'm gonna want your comments, and I'm gonna want your opinions and stuff like this. We'll do it together, okay? So my hope is that if you can see me do something with my life and see me come up out of the ashes, that you can do it too. That you will be able to come out of the ashes. I've learned a lot of cool things, and it's just really cool, and I hope that you stay tuned for it. But until then, you take care, and I will see you on the next one.